Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you all are in a good state of mind and your health. And I am Mavish Rahman, and I'll be going to teach you English in your this new grade. So let me tell you one thing, that if you have any sort of problem in getting lecture or in getting my my tone or my accent, etc., if you have any problem in language, etc., do ask me, okay? If you have any sort of issue regarding your this subject, do ask me from especially from 8 a.m. till 12 p.m. okay, 12 p.m. noon. I'll be available to answer your all sort of queries, okay? So let's not waste our time, and let's begin with our first chapter, and let's start it with the name of Allah. So do recite your kalma, and then we will go for the chapter number 1, okay? So Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem and Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. So student, here is our first chapter, and this chapter is about your, see, this is on page number 11. This is about the hummingbird who achieved bubblegum. Before jumping to the text, they had asked you some sort of information from you. They are saying that imagine you and your friends are on a sea voyage. Voyage means a journey, okay? सफर को कहते हैं, जिस तरह के किसी समुद्री सफर पे आप जा रहे हो. A storm breaks out and your ship is blown to an unknown island. Island जो है वो जजीरे को कहते हैं, जजीरा. You land on the island and discover that nobody lives there. कहते हैं कि आप एक ऐसे आइलैंड पे जाते हो, या आपकी शिप जो है वो ब्रेक हो जाती है, और आप जो तैरते तैरते जो है आप एक आइलैंड पे पहुंचते हो. अब उस आइलैंड पे पहुंचने के बाद आपके साथ क्या क्या होता है? Where will you find shelter? आपसे कह रहे हैं कि आप अपने लिए जो है अपने लिए घर कैसे ढूंढोगे, या वहाँ पे स्टे करने के लिए आप कोई पनाहगाह कैसे ढूंढोगे? What will you eat? आप क्या खाओगे? What will you drink? आप क्या पियोगे? How will you spend your time on the island? और आप आइलैंड पे अपना टाइम कैसे गुजारोगे? How will you send a message to your families? और अपनी फैमिलीज को आप मैसेज कैसे सेंड करोगे? Same. This is your task. What you have to do, you have to think on all the questions given over here on the first page of your book, that is page number 11, okay? And you have to make your own answers. Just imagine that you and your friend is on island and there is nobody around you. So what you will do? How will you make your shelter? How will you eat? And what you will do for drinking? And how will you spend your time on that island? And what will be the sources that will help you to send your messages to the families, okay? So this is your task, and you have to find the answers, but there is no need of writing this on any sort of pages or in your copies, okay? So just it's only brainstorming, okay? So here is your next page, that is page number 12, and here is a story of a girl and a hummingbird. Do you know what is meant by a hummingbird? Let me show you the picture of a hummingbird, okay? So students, this is a picture of a hummingbird. A hummingbird is in a shape of like this, okay? So this one is like a hummingbird, okay? Having a long like this beak, okay? Now coming back to the chapter. So this chapter is about a hummingbird and a girl. I'll tell you a short story, then I will read the chapter for you, and you will read this at your home, because you will create your own answers for the question that I will give you in the next video, okay? So here is a story of a bird and a girl, and that bird live in a neighborhood of that girl. So they both have like a friendship. One day, the girl noticed that the bird is like that bird is disappeared for so many days. Okay, now she's worried because a storm came there for and blew all the worms, etc. So maybe that bird was hungry, and she didn't find anything to eat, and maybe she just transferred, or she just changed her place, or she went away from that place just for the search of food. So after a week, that bird appeared again. That bird reappeared again, and that bird was like in a helpless mood. Okay, so the girl asked that bird in her own. See, this is not like the way that the bird was actually talking. It's all about the mind of the writer. It's all about the imagination that she was doing. The writer is going to tell you about his or her imaginations. Okay, ये ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब अगर कोई बर्ड है तो वो सच में मतलब ऐसे बोलेगा जैसे इंसान बोलते हैं. यस, आई डू एग्री कि बर्ड्स बोलते हैं, लेकिन वो वही चीज़ बोलते हैं जो आप उसको सिखाते हो. मतलब इतनी लाइक जो हम फ्लुएंटली बात करते वो वैसे बात नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन ये सब कुछ जो है, दिस इज़ लाइक अ टाइप ऑफ स्टोरी. और स्टोरीज जो होती है दैट कम्स आउट ऑफ इमेजिनेशंस. जो इमेजिनेशंस हमारी होती है उसी से हम स्टोरीज बनाते हैं. सही है, थ्रू आवर लैंग्वेज, थ्रू आवर वर्ड्स. ओके, तो यहाँ पे भी राइटर जो है अपनी इमेजिनेशंस बयान कर रहे हैं. जिस तरह हम कहते हैं ना थर्स्टी क्रो, तो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि एक कौवा जो है वो खुद आके जो पत्थर उठा के जग में डालेगा और वो उससे पानी पिएगा. यहाँ के आजकल के कौवे जो होते हैं वो बिल्कुल भी ऐसा कोई काम करते नहीं है. तो दैट वाज लाइक कि आपको कोई मॉरल स्टोरी बताने के लिए जो है वो राइटर अपनी सोच को एक कौवा जो है उसमें जो है आपको बता देता है. सो द सेम केसेस ओवर हियर. तो जो हमिंग बर्ड होती है वो काफ़ी हेल्पलेस होती है, और जो लड़की होती हैं, so that girl is asking that bird that why were you disappeared, and maybe you didn't find any food or any worm to eat, that's why you disappeared from here. So the girl said that may I give you anything for your food if you want. So the bird said that that bird just asked for bubble gums. Okay, so she was surprised that why the bird is asking for the bubble gum. Anyhow, she offered that bird a bubble gum, and the bird blew a bubble bigger than her body, and then she flew away. So after some days, that bird again reappear on the windowsill. I'll show you what does it mean. The windowsill means what. Okay, so that bird again reappeared and asked for some more bubble gums, and then flew away. After a day or two, that bird again came, and the girl is saying that bird was calling her name. So she came out into the garden, and then she like following that bird, and she climbed the tree, and what she saw over there, she just saw that the bird had made a nest of her own for the eggs from that bubble gum that was like in pink and blue in color. Okay, and there were also two little eggs were over there, like that the size of that eggs were in the size of jelly beans. Okay, so she was happy that that she helped that bird. And the writer also saying that what is the motive of that writer, what the writer want to say from this chapter. Let me leave this one question for you. Okay, you have to answer me in the last. I'll also give you a question related to this. Okay, so let's start the reading, and you also have to read this at your home. Okay, there was a little hummingbird in my neighborhood. It usually sat on my windowsill. What does a windowsill mean? I'll show you. हाँ जी. So this is your windowsill. This is a windowsill, okay? This is a windowsill. So the bird, that hummingbird, was usually sitting on this windowsill. It usually sat on my windowsill. I enjoyed hearing her sing. Suddenly, I didn't see the little hummingbird for some days. About a week ago, a bad storm came along and blew all the worms away. Sorry अगर मैं थोड़ा सा जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ रही हूँ because I have to complete this video in 15 minutes. फिर अगर ज़्यादा लंबे हो जाती है then I'm sure आप लोग पढ़ते नहीं हो, आप लोग वीडियो को तरह से वॉच ही नहीं करोगे. So आप इसको खुद भी रीड कर लेना और मैं भी रीड कर रही हूँ आपके लिए. सही है. I felt sorry for the hummingbird. She must have been hungry and so she must have flown away. I thought. Then one beautiful sunny morning, the little hummingbird reappeared on my windowsill. कहते हैं कि एक hummingbird थी जो कि मेरे neighborhood में रहती थी and that hummingbird usually sing and I was enjoying her like when that bird was singing I enjoying hearing her sing. And then the girl said that I didn't see that little hummingbird for some days. Why? Because a bad storm came along and blew all the worms away. जिसकी वजह से सारे जो worms और जो insects वगैरह थे वो सारे वहाँ से गायब हो गए थे. I feel sorry for the hummingbird और मैं जो है उस hummingbird के लिए मैं sorry feel कर रही हूँ because why? क्योंकि maybe या तो वो hungry हुई होगी या वो वहाँ से जो है उड़ गई होगी. Then one beautiful morning वो hummingbird जो है वो दोबारा से जो है वो reappeared हो जाती है. Where have you been? I asked the little hummingbird, and that girl is asking from that bird that why were you disappeared? Just out flying around, replied the little hummingbird. और hummingbird उसे कहती है कि मैं इधर उधर I was flying here and there. Okay? Did you find anything to eat? I asked. The girl asked that bird that did you find anything to eat? Oh, there's plenty of food, but all the twigs and the straw were blown away by last week's storm, said the little hummingbird in a sad voice. वो खफो के कहती है कि यस खाने के लिए तो काफ़ी कुछ था लेकिन जो ट्विग्स थे जो शाखें वगैरह थी वो काफ़ी जो है वो उस स्टॉर्म के साथ तूफान के साथ जो है वो उड़ गई थी. I am sorry to hear that. What are you going to do? I asked. और वो कहते हैं कि अब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा दुख हुआ है, अब आप क्या करोगे? The little hummingbird shrugged her feathers and said, I am not sure, but I have a favor to ask you. Shrug means जो अपने फर को जो है वो थोड़ा सा shrug करती है, थोड़ा सा vibrate करती है and then वो कहती है कि मुझे नहीं पता कि what I have to do. लेकिन I want a favor from you और आपसे मैं एक favor चाहती हूँ. Sure, anything, I said. और लड़की ने कहा कि yes, anything for you. आप बताओ, I will help you. Can you please give me some bubble gum? Asked the little hummingbird. Bird कहते क्या आप मुझे थोड़े से bubble gum दे सकते हो? I was surprised that a hummingbird would ask for the bubble gum, but I was happy to share it with my friend. The girl was a bit of like she was surprised that why the bird is asking for the bubble gum because we people are using that bubble gum, we are chewing that. But what about the birds? What she's going to do with that bubble gum? Okay, but in short, she was happy to share that bubble gum with her friend. The little hummingbird chewed the bubble gum, the gum balls, and then blew a bubble bigger than her body. और वो hummingbird जो है वो bubble को chew करती है और उससे bubble बनाती है. सेम. Thanks, she said and flew away. वो उसका शुक्रिया अदा करती है and वहाँ से वो bird जो है वो उड़ जाती है. The next morning, the little hummingbird was back. She asked for a few more pieces of bubble gum. I didn't know why she wanted the bubble gum, but I was happy to share it with her. She thanked me again and flew away. उसने दोबारा शुक्रिया अदा किया जब मैंने उसको कुछ pieces दिए और वो वहाँ से उड़ गई. 2 days later, it was nice and sunny. It was nice and sunny means दिन काफी जो था वो खुशगवार था. I was playing outside. Suddenly, I heard a voice calling out my name. मैं बाहर खेल रही थी कि मुझे अचानक से आवाज़ आई, मतलब